What's the best investment you'll ever make? Some people would say stocks. Others would say real estate. Some might even say starting a business. But if I could recommend just one investment that has the potential to improve every financial decision you'll ever make, it would be financial education. The financial world is constantly changing. Markets rise and fall, interest rates increase and decrease, tax laws get updated. Inflation changes what your money can buy. If you're relying only on today's information, tomorrow's changes can catch you by surprise. But when you understand how money actually works, you're much better prepared to adapt. Financial education isn't about memorizing complicated formulas. It's about understanding the principles behind smart money decisions. When you know how budgeting works, when you understand debt, when you learn about investing, when you recognize the importance of protecting your income, you begin making decisions with confidence instead of fear. Knowledge creates options, and options create freedom. One thing I've noticed over the years is this: the people who consistently make good financial decisions aren't always the highest earners. Some have average incomes, some own businesses, some are employees, some are retirees. The common factor isn't how much they make, it's that they never stop learning. They continue reading books, listening to podcasts, asking questions, improving their financial knowledge little by little. That's what separates informed decisions from expensive mistakes. Unlike many investments, financial education doesn't lose value. No market crash can take it away. No recession can erase what you've learned. Every lesson you gain has the potential to improve every future financial decision. That's why learning about money is one of the few investments that can continue paying dividends for the rest of your life. And the best part, you can start today. If you're ready to build stronger money habits, understand personal finance with confidence, and create a long-term financial strategy, I'd love to help. I've put together a short form where you can share your contact information. Once you complete it, I'll personally reach out, answer your questions, and send you free educational resources. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment and complete the short form. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you in the next video.